Texas True Crimes, the 1991 gruesome murders at the I Can't Believe It's Yogurt store in Austin, Texas. 4 little girls were killed at the I Can't Believe It's Yogurt. 2 of the girls, Jennifer and Eliza, worked at the I Can't Believe It's Yogurt store. One of their sisters and one of the sisters' friends came to join them at closing time. The next thing we know, at 12 o'clock midnight, the fire department is responding to a horrible fire, and they found a gruesome scene. 4 young girls were bound and gagged, put in the back room, shot in the back of the head, execution style. This was 1991. Nothing really went down until 1998, when Austin PD opened a cold case file group, and one name always rang out: Maurice Pierce. He had connections to all the other people, or a bunch of the other names that were involved. There was a kid named Robert Springsteen, Michael Scott, Forrest Wilburn. They took 2 of them, Robert Springsteen and Michael Scott, and they brought them back and they arrested them and held them. And then they proceeded to interrogate them for 20 hours each. Very coercive, very intense interviews. And ultimately, these 2 kids both gave somewhat confessions, not total confessions. Both cases went up to the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals, and both of them were reversed because of the right to confrontation, the 6th Amendment of the Constitution of the United States. Mind you, the boys are both in jail for over 5 years at this time. During this time, we'd had monster developments in DNA. With this new technology, they brought out the new testing, and conclusively, they eliminated all 4 boys as suspects. That was the end of that, at least for the 4 boys, not for the families. And to this day, we have not solved this crime. Nobody other than these 4 boys have ever been arrested or brought to justice.